Hello, have you had a divorce or a breakup recently? Are you feeling down and terribly alone? Do you feel like you'll never get over this? Well, you're not alone, you know. There are lots of divorces going on in the world every now and again. It is unfortunate because when people set out in their relationships at the very beginning, everything seems so nice and glorious. You begin to trust each other, do things together, and try and plan a future together. In fact, you depend on each other for many things. So it is understandable that when this relationship breaks up, you feel desolate, alone, and helpless. But it doesn't need to stay like that. Yes, you can take a little time to grieve, to cry, and let out the pent-up emotions so that you can breathe, if you like. Well, I was in that situation once, and I know exactly how it feels. Now, if you have children, it's even more difficult because you're looking at a situation where you're the only one now having to provide for yourself, for your children. There are bills to pay, there are school runs to do, and a lot of things seem to fall just on your head. Well, yes, it does happen, but people do get through, and they get over this, and they rebuild their lives. When it happened to me, I thought, well, that's the end of me now. I'm never going to be able to progress in my career, nor will I be able to cope as a single parent. But I did. My children are all grown-ups now, and they've done very well in their different fields, thank God. So you too can recover from your divorce pain. You can recover from the breakup, no matter how long ago it happened. If you haven't tried to heal yourself, this is the time to do it, because you will now have the opportunity to rebuild your life for the better. And I'm here to offer you that support. I can help you recover from your pain and help you plan how to rebuild your life for the better. If you are interested in taking up my offer, just go to www.drgraceanderson.com and fill out a form called Book Your Free Discovery Call. And I'll get back to you so that we can talk on Zoom and make a plan to help you get started on your recovery journey. Trust me, you can rebuild your life for the better even without your partner's help. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.